Have you ever asked yourself the question, why do we fail? It's 2 a.m. The house is silent, and the only light is the cold glow of your phone illuminating a world that seems to be moving on without you. You see their wins, their progress, their happiness, and a familiar weight settles in your chest. The feeling that you're stuck on the starting line of a race everyone else is already finishing. You try, you make the plan, you look in the mirror and promise yourself, this time it's different. And then, it isn't. The truth is, failure isn't a curse, it's a science. There are reasons. And once you see the code, you'll never see failure the same way again. We have a myth about failure. We think it's a lightning strike, a sudden crash, a single catastrophic event that proves we're not smart enough, talented enough, or worthy enough. But that's a lie we tell ourselves to make it feel simple. Here's the hidden truth. Failure is not an event, it's an architecture. It's the invisible structure you build day after day with tiny, seemingly harmless bricks. The brick of I'll start on Monday. The brick of just one more episode. The brick of I'm too tired right now. The brick of waiting until you feel inspired. Each one is a small compromise, a tiny crack in your resolve. And one day, you'll look around and realize you've built your own prison. Failure doesn't break you in one moment. It contains you slowly, silently, brick by invisible brick. This architecture is built by 3 master conspirators. Conspirator number 1, you worship motivation, but you disrespect discipline. We treat motivation like a magical muse we have to wait for. But motivation is a spark. It's cheap, fleeting, and unreliable. Discipline is the engine. It runs on commitment, not on feelings. Winners don't wait until they feel good to act. They act, and that is what makes them feel good. Action creates the feeling, not the other way around. Conspirator number 2. Your fear of judgment is louder than your desire for growth. We are terrified of failing in public, of the whispers, the smirks, the I told you so. So we play small. We stay in the shadows where it's safe. But here's the brutal truth. By hiding to avoid failing publicly, you are guaranteeing you will fail privately. The sting of judgment is temporary. The poison of regret lasts a lifetime. Conspirator number 3. You try to upgrade your life without upgrading your identity. This is the most dangerous conspirator of all. You can use all the willpower you have to go to the gym. But if deep down your story is, I'm the lazy one, you will always find your way back to the couch. Your identity is your thermostat. If it's set to $50,000 a year, you'll subconsciously sabotage any chance to make $100,000 because it feels unfamiliar. We don't rise to the level of our ambitions. We return to the comfort of our self-perception. So, how do you break free? You don't fight failure, you reframe it. It starts with one fundamental shift in perspective. Failure is not a judgment, it's data. When your GPS says, rerouting, do you throw your phone out the window and give up? Number you listen. You take the next turn. Failure is the universe's GPS. It's not screaming, you're a loser. It's calmly saying, wrong turn, try another way. The athlete who misses the shot learns how to adjust their aim. The entrepreneur whose business fails learns what the market doesn't want. They aren't failing, they are learning, they are collecting data. The only real failure is the refusal to learn the lesson. It's staying in the car, on the side of the road because you're angry at the GPS. Maybe you feel it right now. The weight of all those wrong turns, the exhaustion, the doubt, the fear that you're out of road. But listen to me, You are not defined by your stumbles. You are defined by the fact that you're still standing. Every scar, every setback, every night, you stared at the ceiling, wondering how you'd go on. That is not a monument to your weakness. That is the map of your strength. It is proof that you were tested and you did not break. So the next time you ask yourself, why do I fail? I want you to ask a different question. What is this trying to teach me? Failure isn't something that happens to you. It's something that happens for you. It's the fire that burns away what isn't important and forges what is. One day you will look back, not with shame, but with gratitude, because you will finally realize failure was never your breaking point. It was your forging point.